This is your first lady Shelly Expressions, and guess what? This Sunday on Sunday Night Lyme, we are going to be talking about the crowning of Vybz Kartel. Yeah, although we got being still, but I don't know being a man of my king, don't it? We have that to talk about, and also Massacre stating that this is his final year on stage for Sumfest. We're gonna talk about this and more on Sunday Night Lyme at 8 p.m. this Sunday. We're gonna be at willys Thatch Roof, 115A Molynes Road. If you want to come and join us, just to Lyme, listen to little music and have a drink, come on down. We are going to be there at 8 p.m. Well, we're there from 7 still at 1 5 and chill, but you know the live starts at 8 p.m. So tune in and come join us right here, Sunday Night Lyme, Expressions JA's YouTube channel. See you there.